Hello guys, today we are going to discuss what is ROM. ROM means read only memory. So it's a kind of non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory is called ROM, meaning it retains its data even when the power is turned off. Non-volatile memory retains its data when the power is turned off. You can say that because it holds the data in permanent form. So you can say that ROM is kind of a permanent storage because it stores firmware means microcode or programs which is embedded into the hardware. So you can say that it helps them to operate effectively. Means you can say that a microcode which is embedded into the hardware device, and what is it for? To operate them effectively. So microcode or program embedded into the hardware, so which is also used to operate them effectively. Or you can say that software that is rarely changed, such as a BIOS or firmware in a computer. So it's a kind of a permanent storage. When you want to store permanent data, so you can say that it is stored into a hardware device and microcode is embedded on it. And also you can say that a software which is rarely changed means it's hardly changed, such as BIOS or firmware in a computer. You can say that you cannot change BIOS or firmware in a computer means regularly. You can say that it is rarely changed. It's a rarely changed thing. So BIOS or firmware in a computer is a type of a ROM. What is a key feature of a ROM? Means read only. Means the data stored in ROM can usually only be read. Means you can only read the data, not write or modify the data. Through some type of ROM can be reprogrammed. So you can say that you cannot write or modify the data, but you can read the data from the ROM, and some ROM can be programmed. When I talk about its speed, so you can say that ROM is slower comparatively to RAM because it is not used for immediate tasks but rather for storing crucial system instructions. So you can say that speed of the ROM is slower comparatively to RAM because you can say that it is not meant for immediate task. So it is comparatively slower than RAM, but rather for storing crucial system instructions. So you can say that ROM store crucial system information or instructions, you can say that. So that is why RAM is faster and ROM is slower because it is not meant for any immediate task, but it store crucial system information. So this is the speed of the ROM. When I talk about its capacity, so ROM has a much smaller capacity than RAM because it is not meant for immediate task. It hold permanent storage, and you can say that you cannot write or modify the data. You can only read the data. That is why its capacity is smaller comparatively to RAM. So this is a key feature of a ROM. I have discussed what is ROM and what is the functionality of a ROM and for what purpose ROM is used for, and you can say that what is the key feature of a ROM. So this is all for today. I will bring some other lecture in the coming videos. Thank you.